Welcome, Solid Rock family. You're now tuning into Solid Rock Entertainment. And this is long overdue, and to the post we stay true. This week we're going to do a full album review of one of the classic reggae albums, just to name a few. None other than the great Buju Banton Till Shiloh album, right? Yeah. One of the best intros for any reggae album that I know is from the classic and timeless Till Shiloh. In comes
strangest feeling I'm feeling, but your love we will always believe in. Though you may think my faith is in vain, till Shiloh we chant Rastafari's name.
What an intro. Yes. Till Shiloh, Buju Banton's fourth album, and is the album where Buju Banton decided to walk the path and share with the world musically. You know, the man who has now become the Rasta man. He has become seen. Released on July 18th, 1995. Label Loose Cannon. Island Records Universal Music Catalog, which is the UK branch of Universal Music. So we're going to get right into it. So get back into the solid vibe. Sit back, get your popcorn, get your ital, because it is vital. And this is the recital of the Till Shiloh album, right? All right, so we're going to keep the ball rolling, okay? Yeah, so sit back, man. The next tune is track number 2, because that was the intro, Till Shiloh. Yeah,